So this layout turned out to be less of a process video and more of a technique slash layout share. So what I'm going to do here is this cut file is from, I don't know where. I honestly don't. I actually asked around. It was in my laptop as a ClickKits cut file, but it's not a ClickKits cut file, so I don't know. Anyway, it's a cute cut file that I cut. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to paint it with some pretty Dilutions paint, and then I'm going to embellish it a little bit. So I gave it just one coat of Dilutions, kind of a heavy coat, let it dry completely, and I used rose quartz, and I used that really bright lime. I think it's called Twisted Lime. It's the Dilutions lime color, but I watered it down a bit with some white paint and painted it to get a little bit of a lighter color. And so now I want to go ahead and attach sequins to the entire ampersand. So I'm going to use my Silhouette little like sticky thing, and I'm going to use that instead of my glue dots because these sequins are really small. So this is the Hey Baby Baby sequin set, which is these gorgeous pinky iridescent sequins and also some lovely green sequins. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cover the entire ampersand with this with these sequins. And now I want to create a shaker pocket for my layout. And so what I did was I didn't want the white foam from the shaker to be on the top. So what I'm doing is I'm tracing the little acetate piece and then I'm going to cut it out. So all of the products that I used for this layout were from, like all the paper and all the flares and everything was from the ClickKits This Is Us exclusive line, which is stunningly beautiful and worked perfectly for my layout. About this, my niece, my sister has this habit of sending me photos of my niece with the little Snapchat filters or the little Instagram filters, and I love them. And sometimes they're just too cute, and I just have to print them out and scrapbook them. So far, I've only had to do 2, so it's not terrible. So I have to watch my cutting on this so carefully, so I cut it just right to fit over my shaker pocket. So I'm going to get so far in creating the shaker pocket, and then someone called my cell phone, which is why I don't generally film on the weekends, but I had to film on the weekends because I was going away. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cut these out, and I'm going to start to make the shaker pocket, and then my husband called my cell phone, and when someone calls my cell phone, my iPad decides that means the video needs to turn off. Ugh, so annoying, guys, so annoying. And it happened to me twice this weekend, not just once, twice, which is totally why I do not film videos on the weekends unless I absolutely have to. So I'm going to lay down the acetate piece, and I'm going to lay down that piece that I cut, and then here's my layout all done because, the rest of it. So all of the elements inside the shaker pocket is the Hey Baby Baby sequins along with some vellum hearts from the This Is Us collection by ClickKits, and I love, 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 love that little sloth. And then I added also some flares and some different things. I'm just showing you there how the sequins shake, shake, shake. And then I ended this layout with some black splatters, which just shimmers night moves, and that will complete this. Thank you so much for joining me today. Sorry this was like so super quick. I added some extra long close-ups for you so you can get a really good look at this layout. I had a blast making it. It was so lovely. Below you can find links to the Spiegelmom Scraps shop so you can pick up some fun sparkly goodies. And I'm also going to leave the link for ClickKits so you can grab this collection if you want. It is an exclusive and it's in the shop and you don't have to be a subscriber to get one. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all again soon.